Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are conquering Hyderabad, the city of Nizams, incredible food, and absolute scorching heat. If you're planning a trip here, don't sweat it. I have got you covered. I have built the ultimate 3-day foolproof itinerary, complete with exact prices, travel hacks, and a massive warning where phones are allowed or not allowed. So, hit that subscribe button and let's dive straight into day one. सो धूप की वजह से हमने शाम में घूमना स्टार्ट किया. Our first stop was बिरला मंदिर. It was built on a top of a hill, but the critical travel warning over here is कि recently यहाँ पे phone and cameras ban हो गए. So please keep that in mind and the entry over here is free of cost. मंदिर से नीचे उतरते ही right down the hill we have लुम्बिनी पार्क जो ठीक हुसैन सागर लेक किनारे. यहाँ की एंट्री टिकट सिर्फ ₹20 है. अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो आप ₹100 की बोट टिकट लेकर लेक के बीच में जो एक बड़ा बुद्ध स्टैचू है वहां जा सकते हो. बट फॉर मी द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज जस्ट सिटिंग बाय द serene water, watching the city lights turn on and sipping on some freshly brewed coffee. Trust me, after traveling, this is the exact peaceful recharge you need for the madness for date. But एक point that I need to highlight over here is please अपना एक private vehicle book करके रखना because अगर शाम हो गई और उसके बाद you are getting out of that place, locations ढूंढने में ओला उबर में हालत खराब हो जाएगी. So make sure that शाम होने से पहले you either get out of that place or have a private vehicle to just enjoy this. Welcome to day 2, or as I call it, the Great Hyderabadi Mint. We started early at Golconda Fort, and when I say early, I mean be there by 8:30 a.m. when it opens. Why? Because this fort requires a massive climb of over 360 steps, and by 11 a.m., the rocks turn into a literal pizza oven. Look at this architecture. If you clap your hands at the entry gate, the sound can be heard right at the top of the citadel. It is the ancient alarm system. The summer survival tips over here would be just wear some light cotton clothes, have some 2 liters of water, and carry an umbrella or something with you. The entry is rupees 25 if you pay digitally, which you should, or rupees 30 if you're paying in cash. If you want to shoot with a proper DSLR camera, it's an extra rupees 25. Grab an Uber or Ola directly here. History देखने के बाद हम पहुंचे सीधा फिल्मों की दुनिया में. That is रामोजी फिल्म सिटी. ये वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा स्टूडियो कॉम्प्लेक्स है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लॉजिस्टिक्स. क्योंकि आउटस्कर्ट्स में है सो यू कैन बुक अ कैब या फिर इनकी ऑफिशियल ट्रांसपोर्ट बस ले सकते हो. द स्टैंडर्ड एंट्री टिकट इज अराउंड 1250 फॉर अडल्ट्स. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग ओवर हियर इज रामोजी बहुत बड़ा है और सेट्स के बीच में काफी आउटडोर वॉकिंग करना पड़ता है. मतलब इवेंचुअली यू विल फील कि बाहुबली के माहिष्मती में यू आर हैविंग अ वॉर अगेंस्ट द सन. So the pro tip over here would be if you're traveling in peak summer, अपनी energy बचाने के लिए upgrade to the Star Experience ticket. Around 2500 to 3000 rupees का वो होगा. इसमें you will get AC bus and a free included buffet. Inside Ramoji, you'll find lots of day. You need a proper 1 day time to explore Ramoji. There are lots of different movie sets. They'll show you the whole movie making process, how they make different sounds, how they picturize everything, how the green. There are a lot of sets like Ramayan ka set, Golmaal ka set, Bahubali ka set, and a lot more. The list goes on. The day 3 is all about the royal heritage of the old city. We kick things off at Chomalla Palace. The ticket price over is rupees 50, and if you want the mobile photography, you can pay rupees 50. And remember that on Fridays it is closed, so plan accordingly. This is the official residence of the Nawabs, and guys, the opulence here is mind blowing. Massive Belgian crystal झूमर, Grand Darbar Hall और विंटेज कारों का एक पूरा कलेक्शन जिसमें 1912 की रॉयल्स रॉयस भी है. नेक्स्ट स्टॉप वाज सलारजा, one of the largest private collections on the planet. The entry ticket over is rupees 50 with extra mobile charges. It has 38 galleries, over 43,000 art objects and 50,000 rare books. मतलब अगर तुम एक पूरा दिन भी लगाओगे ना तो इसको अच्छे से कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाओगे एक एक ऑब्जेक्ट देखने बैठे. इट वॉज मेड बाय नवाब मीर यूसुफ अली खान हु इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द सलारजंग 3. मेरी मानो तो प्लीज बिना खाए पिए यहाँ मत आना बिकॉज 3-4 घंटे आराम से यहाँ निकल जाएंगे और पता भी नहीं चलेगा. The 3 things that you cannot miss over here is the musical clock, a wheel Rebecca, and Bapu Ka wo statue. I love these three things. So make sure you explore all these things, and there are other lot of things also that you will love, because the cutlery over here is so beautiful, and the artwork from Hathi Ke Daant, it is on another level. So please go through all those artworks. And finally, we reached Charminar, had the Rani Chai at Nimla Cafe with Muska Bun, and explored the market. आज हमारा चेकआउट डे, बट बिना कुछ खाए अगर हैदराबाद से चले गए तो वो एक क्राइम हो, इसीलिए हम रुके द आइकॉनिक रामेश्वरम कैफे. दिस प्लेस इज अ legendary South Indian powerhouse. So that's a wrap for the Hyderabad trip. Let me know if you need anything in the comment section. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.